Let's repair some nails. So, hey guys, what we are about to do is repair some nails that have been broken. As you can see, I've already started on this hand, filing away the top coat of the gel polish, but we're not doing any fills or anything like that. It's strictly a repair. So we're going to repair it and kind of change the design a little bit. So stay tuned. So as you can see, I just did the fill-in on this one, and I repaired the tip by using a nail form. And nail form kind of helps you have a foundation when sculpting a nail set. So now that we already repaired her other hand, I am now on her other hand about to remove all of the first layer of the clear gel top coat. And excuse the children in the background. You guys know I am a mobile nail tech. So I'm actually at my client's home, and her children are here. So yeah, just try to stay focused on the work at hand. So I know you guys are probably wondering, what is the brown stuff that is in the nail? I didn't explain before that we were adding flowers. They have like these really cute sun-dried 3D flowers for nail art that we've added, and it is so perfect for the fall season. The colors just match so perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and file, get that pointy look back. Oh, this guy is the cutest kid and so full of energy. And his name is just the cutest. But yeah, we're just gonna create that pointy shape again. And file. Another reason to while we sit here and create and perfect this nail shape, one thing I wanted to point out as well, one great thing about booking me too, as you can see, is you can be right in the comfortability of your home. Majority of the women that I do service are generally professional women with children, and they need one-on-one attention. They need that special attention. You know what I mean? So, especially in today's time, it's so hard to, well, not so hard, but it's kind of challenging now to just do like our normal beauty things because of like the COVID or whatnot, and with the new guidelines and regulations, visiting salons or whatnot. And she has kids, so like my mobile service works perfect for her. You can still parent and get your nails done. All right, so I'm almost done perfecting this shape. Then we're gonna move on to the left hand, her left hand, not our left hand. Look at that. I love doing nails. Like, seriously, it's so therapeutic. With each nail set, like, I challenge myself to do better. All right, I think we're good with that shape. I think we're good to. So, check out this right hand. It's all completed with a very shiny gel top coat and blinged out, of course. So now I am about to complete her left hand. We're almost done, guys. And you can see the finished look in a second. I love this gel top coat too. It's extremely shiny. Look at that. Look at that flower. I love that blue and yellow. Gosh, that is so freaking dope. Like, nails now in like 2020 are not the nails from like back in the day. It's so much we can do with nails. And here we are, guys. Voila. The finished look. Dope as hell, right? Very fall-y. Very pretty. I don't know if I've been saying spring. I've been confusing fall and spring. So please, if I've mentioned spring, don't pay me no attention. But these are super dope and just like fall ready, honey. I am loving these nails. Get stung and book BoojiBEE if you're in Cincinnati. Thanks again, guys, for watching. You are so appreciated. I love your support. I love that you guys are here to see what I can do. And I love that you allow for me to express my creativity and share my inner passions and inner desires with you all. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button for notifications. And yeah, connect with me online on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at BoojiBEE. Kiss down.